Hey, what's up guys? That's Dave Bitch again with you with another new video. So this is a very powerful bot, okay? It's work on PancakeSwap v3 and PancakeSwap v2, okay? So this is a monster bot which has a volume booster, which has a volume maker, send holders, human mod, and like stagger buys, okay? And I can also add for you the new options as well if you want any one of it, okay? Like just tell me, just share your mind with me, I'm gonna add it for you, okay? So the last one was very simple and this one is a very advanced, okay? This one is a very advanced, very advanced, okay? And I guess nobody has this one. Nobody, okay? Nobody, and nobody can create this, okay? So first things first, this is not financial advice. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. This is a paid script. If you need it, if you have a big bag, contact me, okay? Don't come for 100, 200, or $1,000, okay? That's not for $1,000 or for $200, okay? That's an expensive script, okay? So let's go, okay? So let's generate wallet. I will be very quick. So let's say 3, and for which option? So I will say for volume. Okay, now the volume is gonna work like this. That's a demo, okay? So that's why I'm gonna go with label funds. So volume, and it should be like funded like this. Fine. Okay, done and dusted. Okay, fine, that's it. And now I'm gonna just like first of all, like as I told you in the previous video, in trading operation, whatever kind of volume or stuff you are sending, so you need to approve the token first, okay? And that's the token. So now let's say 4. Okay, so now holders, and that's done. Okay, that's a simple thing, like nothing. It's just like serious. It's just like now just let's go to buy, and let's say 0 and 0 1 and 0 and 0 0 0 3. Okay, fine. And how many cycles do? So it's gonna be like a 3 buy 3 sell 3 buys 3 sell, which was a simple, and you can view this task in just this, okay? In 13. So like normally just check it out, it's running, you can see here, and you can view this task as well. Okay, fine. And now just check it out, buys, sell, now one more buys, and then it's over, okay? Now after that we will go to makers, okay? And I guess the amount was very low, so I guess it's just like the insufficient fund issue, I believe so, but maybe not, so let's see. Okay, and now let's go to 13 again, and it's completely, yeah, that's something like very less fun, so that's why it did not perform very well. So now let's go back, and now let's say we're gonna run like makers, okay? So create new wallets, so let's say 4, and let's say holders, like, oh sorry, we were going for holder option, yeah. So 3, and now let's just like fund them. This time I will fund a little bit more, so the issue should be no more, okay? But yeah, that's something like, okay, so 3 0.01, okay, done. And now just like let's say approve, as I told you. Okay, so 3, okay, that's done. And now what we're gonna do is just to send holders, okay? So send holders, so it's gonna increase the holders, okay? This shit is gonna increase. So now let's say we have 4 wallets, so yeah, of course that's gonna go with 4. So let's say 4, how many minimum? 1, because we don't have too much BNB on those wallets because this is a demo, so yeah. Okay, yeah, it's also like in the 13 task, okay? So like you can view here, okay? It's completed right now. You will see like 4 horrors instantly in here, okay? Instantly. Now just wait and watch, because if it's on GMGN, so it's gonna be fast, but this is fucking like a deck screener, so this sometimes like headache. So just let's see. If it's not, then a balance issue, I'm gonna fund those accounts even more. So let's say 5. I'm gonna check the balances, okay? 2, and let's say holders. You see it's fucking like very low amounts, so I need to fund these accounts. So again I will do this, so fine. So there should be no such a problem, okay? four wallets are very well funded right now. And now just let's say to holders 8, and let's say 3, and let's say like this and like this. Okay, now you will see shit. You will see this shit, bro. Okay, let's go to 13. Okay, completed. And now you can see here the 4, because that was a balance issue, because I was idiot. I was funding those accounts like 0.0001, so that's fucking like not making a sense. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, and it has increased. And now I'm just trying to sell these things as well, because I'm up for them. So yeah. Okay, so 10, and let's say from holders, and let's say 100%. Okay, so let's see. 13, sell task is completed. We will see the sales very quickly. Okay, fine. Okay, so now we will go with the Mac before we are going to this step, because this is a little bit it's just like a very long process. So and you know about what is a volume maker is, right? What is the volume maker, right? And I'm gonna explain a bit, but yeah, we will go now. Let's go with the human trading. So first of all, just let me refund from those accounts. Okay, so holders. Okay, fine, so let me refund it. Okay, fine. Now let's check it out. Just a minute. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so now the balance is back. Okay, now let's generate new accounts. Let's say 3. Okay, let's say for human mode 4. Okay, so now we're gonna just fund those accounts 3 again, and it's this time is human mode. So I will do it like this, so there should be like no such a issue for gas fees and stuff like that. Okay, so fine, that's funded right now. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is just like to create our human strategy. So let's say buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Okay, that's the human strategy right now. Okay, and let's say how much. So I will say this and this. So how many times you want to repeat the strategy? So let's say 1 time. That's a demo, so that's why. Okay, so fine. So first of all, it's gonna check. Okay, it's running the human strategy. Okay, so first of all, it has made the buys. Okay, so like at least these account must have some sort of tokens. Okay, so then it's gonna just like start the main game, and you will see the main game right now, or in a minute maybe. So yeah, definitely you are seeing here right now. And now just like what about the strategy? Buy, sell, and like this. Now just check it out. Okay, oh fuck, we have just like we forgot about this option again. That's something like you need to remember. So like if you can't do this, if you don't click this 4, okay, then these wallets gonna be just like fucking just like they don't know how to sell it. Okay, so let's fucking stop this strategy. Stop it. Okay, so I want to stop the first strategy. Share the chain, and I want to stop a task. Okay, and which one is run? It's completed, but fine, now it's just gone. So first of all, let's repeat the strategy. Okay, once more, bro. You guys might be thinking, oh, what the fuck I'm doing. So let's say 4, and let's say 100. Okay, so let it. Oh fucking it's not gonna sell, because I need this option first. Okay, I'm an idiot, sorry. I'm a little bit sleepy as well, so that's why. 4 from human mods. 4. Now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work 100%. If it didn't work, bro, I'm the bitch. Okay, you can consider me as a gay as well if it didn't work. Okay, so let's say sell. So first of all, let's do it. Let's do this. Let's do this. 4 and 100. Now let's see. 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 Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's working right now. Okay, so now let's do the human strategy again. Okay, buy, buy, sell, buy. How many times you want to? Oh, sorry, I told you I'm a little bit sleepy, and now that's true. Okay, one time I want to repeat this process, and you guys can go there. Now it's gonna do the buys first, okay, and then it's gonna do that one. So yeah, okay, now it's gonna follow the strategy, believe me. You see, it's following the strategy right now. It's following the strategy right now. The fucking shit is following the strategy right now. The shit is following the strategy right now. See, shit is following the strategy right now. Okay, and maybe let's check it out. Okay, so 13. Okay, it's completed. Yeah, so let me just like if there is a little bit glitch or anything, okay, in the video, if you report, just let me know. I'm gonna fix that for you. Okay, it's not a big issue, and I'm gonna show you the live demo as well. Again, it's not a big deal. Okay, so now let's sell it from human mode. Yeah, for and 100%. Okay, okay, just sell it. Sell it, baby. Sell it, baby. Sell it, baby. Yeah, it has sold. Okay, now I'm gonna check the balances. Okay, and let's say human for. Okay, this is the balance, and now I'm gonna just refund that to the master wallet. And let's say 4. Okay, shit is working right now. Shit is working right now. Okay, so now we're gonna go to 4. Okay, now the balance is back again. Okay, now let's go for makers. For makers, you don't need to generate wallets or fund wallets. Okay, just like it's gonna work with your balance. Okay, so it's just like let's say 6, and you don't need a proof in here. Okay, so let's say maker 6. Okay, 6. How many wallets to generate this cycle? So let's say each time there should be 3. Okay, how many times you want to run this cycle? Let's say 2. So before just entering this shit, so I'm gonna explain you. It's gonna buy with 3 accounts. Okay, and it's gonna sell 90% from these 3 accounts. Okay, so it's mean the one cycle is done. And then it's gonna go with another new 3 accounts. That's like 3 new accounts, and they're gonna buy, and then they're gonna sell 90%, and that's gonna be totally random. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I can even modify this function for you even more. Okay, so now this shit is running. Okay, so it's running. That's a little bit lengthy process. That's not something like in one go. Okay, so as you can see here. Okay, look at this shit is just like this. It's doing it right now. You can see the logs. Okay, get these logs like approving like this, and now enter. Okay, so right now as you can see here, okay, it's just like a completely new wallets, right? New wallets. Okay, and these wallets, like it has purchased 60% and sold 90%, as you can see here. So it's just like basically like improving your chart as well. Like chart's gonna be just like way improved, and it's gonna getting you some supply as well with the time being. Okay, and that's working right now. There will be more new accounts. Okay, and that because the cycle is for 2 times, so just check it out. Okay, it's working, don't worry, still in the process. As you can see here, as I told you, like I said, this process is a little bit slow but working 100%. Okay, so okay, just let's wait. Okay, so you're gonna have like because that's very like this method is very implemented with very artificial method. Okay, so 3 and just running. So view task 3, and let's say 10. Okay, so as you can see here, right, it's like in funding process, stuffs like that. So uh, this was under hold, like these three wallets just like ding approve. Now you guys can see here right now. Okay, it's still doing everything. Now just check it out. You will see like suddenly like buys and then sell. So yeah, let's wait once this is done. So we're gonna just go ahead and look at this. You have new account. These were new, these were different, and these were new. So once it's just like buys and sells, so these two things are very quickly. And now they're gonna just like refund everything automatically to the master wallet. Okay, and then it's done. So right now as you can see here, and the stagger buys, definitely I'm not going into this one because the video is getting very lengthy right now, getting very long right now. So it's just like I will explain a bit. So it's just like how many minimum delays and how many maximum minimum max amount, and that's a stagger is gonna buy like between these time frames. So yeah, this is all, and this shit is completely working. And if you need this script, okay, and if you need any customization or anything, I will do it for you. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends if anybody need my services, because I'm working on 402 layer as well protocol. I'm working on 402 protocol as well. I'm making DeFi's, NFTs, like any kind of platform on blockchain, like if it's just like a front end or whatever. Okay, so I can make anything. So just let me know, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.